So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about a brand called Blue Nectar. I've got quite a few products and I've been using them from the range of 3 to 5 months. So I am confident on giving my review on this. So according to me, no brand is 100% perfect. It's like perfect, like everything is good. Like there are few products which are really good and some not that great. So you can take my inputs on Blue Nectar, and yeah, again, skincare and hair care is very subjective. It might work for you wonders and not for me quite as good, and vice versa. So yeah, it's a very subjective topic, but I'm gonna give my inputs on these. So let's begin. So starting with the Kumkumadi Radiance Glow Serum. So again, the packaging of all of them are so good, and the packaging is very steady, and yeah, it looks very pretty, like they have displayed it very well. And starting with the serum, I don't consider this a serum, it's more of an oil, but it works wonders, trust me. This is the first product I got and I was so happy, and that's what motivated me on getting more and more products from this brand. I genuinely loved it, and it really does work on your skin a lot. After 3 to 5 uses itself, you can find a significant difference. Moving on to the anti-aging saffron and sandalwood cream, it smells so good, and but this product is not that used by me. It's used by my mom and my granny, and they loved it. They completed one whole box of this, and I ended up buying another one. So it's a complete thumbs up. If you want to, like, you can start using anti-aging from your late 20s, and I'm not in my late 20s yet, and I don't use anti-aging stuff that much. So this product is the Kumkumadi Brightening and Radiance Face Scrub. It was not as expected from my side, because I feel that the granules are a bit too big for a face scrub, you can say. But it does the job. Like, what does a scrub do? Like, it scrubs your face, and it does the job, and it even has a lot of moisturizing properties as well. It smells as well. It smells good as well, but it's not under my preference, you can say. I prefer to use it on my body rather than my face. It's too harsh for my skin, basically. So moving on to the hair care range, I'm actually totally in love with the Brigade shampoo and the conditioner both. I in fact just used it, and I can feel that my hair has become extremely silky. I didn't put anything like on my hair after, like nothing, like no serum, nothing. I just took a hair wash and it looks extremely silky. I actually ordered another pair of both of these, and they are on its way, because they are, as you can see, it's almost over. And yeah, to me they have worked, and I really recommend these two products. So this is the next product, Nalparmati Skin Brightening Turmeric Massage Oil. I have mixed feelings on this product, because I use it only for the rough areas on my body, like and that really helps. It's an oil, right? So it absorbs on your skin and all, and it gives you a slight yellow tinge after application. Personally speaking, I wouldn't buy another tube of this, but at the same time, again, it works differently on everyone's skin. My dad uses it and he's obsessed. He loves this so much that he's insisting on me buying another bottle of this, because he has some issues with his leg, like dry patches, and on using this, it has really helped. And this also helps if you have a lot of uneven skin tone, and any skin problems in general. So since he has dry patches, he uses it, and it really reduced a lot for him. So it has a lot of medicinal properties, I feel, and it is a must buy if you have like dry skin, like a lot of dry skin, and yeah, it is something which is really helpful. But personally speaking, it hasn't done much on my skin. The brightening and radiance LIT cream with SPF 30 is the last product I have here. So yeah, it has its own set of pros and cons, so you have to make your decision if you're okay with the cons, you can say. First of all, if you have sensitive skin, I don't recommend this. Like my mom has extremely sensitive skin and it burns a lot. Like she used it once, only once, and she's even sensitive to smell, so she can't stand the smell because it has a very strong smell to it. It smells so much like lychee, and yeah, for me personally, I'm okay with it. Like I'm totally okay with the smell. It doesn't burn my skin either, but it gives it, and it even gives a very good coverage, and it doesn't feel any like it doesn't feel greasy on your skin. So I use it every day. I even use it under my makeup. So yeah, I like this product personally. And would I buy another one of these? Absolutely. Like for me, I like it. It does all the stuff I wanted a sunscreen to do, like basically give coverage. It has good ingredients, and I don't really mind about the smell. Like I am not that very sensitive to smell, so it's okay with me. But yeah, it depends if you have sensitive skin or smell sensitivity issues. No, don't go ahead. So yeah, you can make your decision. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you take your inputs from this, because some might work for you, might not work for me, and vice versa. So yeah, see you again soon, and hopefully with the next haul.